Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. And today I am here to talk about the tree plantation. As we all know, we celebrate tree plantation festival from 1st July to 7th July every year in India. First, let's talk what is tree plantation. Tree plantation means plantings tree. As we all know, a large area of land, especially in a hot country where crops are grown, is called tree plantation. What crops are grown? Such as tea, cotton plants, tobacco, etc. When we are talking about a tree plantation, तो ये भी डिस्कस कर लेते हैं when it celebrate. So it celebrate on 21 March every year all over the world. You know why are celebrating these days? The purpose of celebrating is to make people aware of the importance of planting trees and to assist them in doing so. Planting sampling to invest in the future is a common practice on tree plantation days. When you plant a tree, you are not only planting a sampling but also hoping for a best in future. Plants are very important in several aspects. Plants give us oxygen. Without oxygen, the life is very difficult. Means we can say na life is not possible without oxygen, and absorb carbon dioxide from atmosphere. We all know na plants are inhaling carbon dioxide and exhaling oxygen. So we are taking oxygen and we are giving the carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide which our plants is taking from the atmosphere as well as humans. So we can save our life from this toxic gas. So we can see here that trees provides clean air for living beings to breathe and generate energy, and we can live to be free of suffocating. And the major problem with us, like we are living in urban areas, as we can see, na, urban areas lack trees, so we suffer from several problems. And in this situation, the tree plantations become a long-term solution. Because we know na कि all the factories, industries all emit hazardous pollutants, and similarly all the vehicles exhaust and coal combustion making our environment polluted, and greenhouse gases which is emitting greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. So these all gases are very harmful for our life, for our health. So we all know that what is the meaning of afforestation. Afforestation meaning like planting more and more trees, but we are not doing like that. If we will apply more and more planting so that our environment and earth be safe, and do not cut down the trees means do not deforest. So we can say we should not cut down the trees and avoid deforestation. On the other hand, if we will planting more and more trees, it prevents soil erosion and landsliding. So what is soil erosion? Soil erosion, as we know, it is a process by which the top fertile layer of soil is removed through the wind or water. So we can prevent it by planting more and more trees. What is landsliding? Landsliding, as we know, the movement of mass of rocks, debris or earth down a slope. So after planting the trees, we can prevent the landsliding also. Besides this, if we talk about some other aspects like tree givers of fruits, vegetables, woods, medicines, paper, fibers, so many things we are taking from the trees, so that are very important for survival of life on earth. They are the producers and the source of food energy for all living beings. So what is the government plan for the tree plantation? Let's talk about the government plan. So the Indian government is allocating funds through the compensatory afforestation fund management and planning account to carry out such massive tree plantations. Campaigns in both urban and rural areas. State governments are also taking extensive measures to improve forest and tree coverage. The Maharashtra government entered the coveted Limca Book of Records by conducting a massive tree plantation with the help of citizens and various non-governmental organizations. And some plans NGOs also having, means non-governmental organization. Non-governmental organization in India are taking proactive steps to encourage ordinary people to participate in tree plantation programs and to raise awareness about the importance of tree plantation in combating climatic change. In Maharashtra, Green Yatra, a Maharashtra based organization funded by Mr. Pradeep Tripathi, has launched a program called Go Green Kids, which provides free sapling to schools in both rural and urban areas of the state. And one other, the Sankyat Taru organization established a program in a school in Barmer, Thar Desert in 2013 to educate students and surrounding communities about the importance of tree plantation. Say Trees is a Bangalore based organization founded by individuals dedicated to preventing nature's ecological balance. And one very importance of tree plantation is preserving biodiversity and balancing the ecosystem cannot be overstated. So, the trees provide a natural habitat for many different species, a diverse and healthy ecosystem. Let's conclude the topic. We recognize that one of the most serious issues in the current state is the devaluation of trees. To make our world greener and better, we must pay more attention to tree planting in the future. Individual contributions should be made first. We should also put a stop to tree cutting and remember that without trees there will be no life. The tree is very important in our life. Everyone should be aware of the importance of tree planting and should motivate and encourage others to do the same. Okay, so these all are about the tree plantation. Thank you. Have a nice day.